Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys two ways of no makeup look. So first way is wearing your skin as it is. It's okay to have acne and pimples. So I'm starting off with some rose water as my toner. I'm here gonna just enhance my natural beauty and pamper it. Next I'm using some vitamin C and vitamin E serum. I'm going to massage it deeply into my skin. Here we are just focusing upon our skincare and taking care of our skin. Next I'm using a moisturizer. This one works best for me, so I'm using this one. This was recommended by dermatologist to me. This is the Acne Moist. It works really nicely on my skin. Next I'm using a lip balm and I am done. And it's okay to have acne, it's okay to have pimples. It's just about wearing your own confidence and just being happy with what your skin looks. Next is my second way of no makeup look. I'm going to start off with some primer. Here I'm using Lakme pore filling primer. As you can see how it smoothens out my skin. Next I'm using some BB cream for a natural finish. I'm going to apply a little bit of BB cream under my eyes just to highlight it. Next I'm using my DIY cheek tint. If you want a video on it, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll surely make this video. See how beautiful it looks. Next I'm just setting my under eyes with some powder. Then I'm just doing my eyebrows and filling them with the Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. Next I'm using a liquid liner and just I'm going on the starting of my eyelid. That's it, because I like that look. It elongates my eyes. Next I'm just curling my eyelashes. You can see the difference, how it lifts my eyelashes and curls it. Next I'm using the Maybelline Colossal mascara. This one is really good. Next I'm using the Miniso lipstick. This is in the shade Tea Rose. I absolutely love it. See how beautiful this makeup looks, and I would say it's makeup, so you will see makeup traces, but love your skin anyways. Bye bye, take care.